In this brief tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of sending high-quality media on WhatsApp. Transmitting photos and videos in HD can significantly enhance the clarity and detail of your content for the recipient. To begin, launch the WhatsApp application and select the Settings option. Subsequently, scroll down and tap on Storage and Data, followed by Media Upload Quality. By default, WhatsApp's media upload quality is set to standard. This implies that when sending photos or videos, their resolution may be compromised. To ensure high-quality media transmission, simply select HD quality instead of standard. Henceforth, all your shared photos and videos will be in higher resolution, resulting in sharper and more visually appealing content. Please note that modifying this setting once will automatically apply HD quality to all future uploads by default. In conclusion, this tutorial provides a straightforward method to elevate the quality of your media shared on WhatsApp, ensuring that your content is consistently presented in the best possible manner.